So here we have a bulb which is powered on, and I open this thing. Okay, let's replace that one with an LED bulb. The dimension is 35 millimeters. So we have here a small little cut there on the right side. I'm using a small knife, just a knife, and remove this one. So the left side is a hook, and this is another hook. Okay, so the left side was holding the left side of this one. The right side is held by this part. Okay, just remove this one. This is an LED, so I can't rotate it in any direction. Plus, let's see if it's working this way or the other way. Now this is smaller, it's a little bit loose. Yes, the original one is a little bit longer. So I will push these in and in. So it's not working this way, so let's rotate it around, and in this way it's working, but surprise surprise, it's not white but red. Okay, so I have to point it down. Maybe I should replace that LED. Now this is directional, so it's lighting down here to my hand. It's not lighting on the mirror, it's not lighting onto me. So the LED is not exactly right for this lamp.